I want to remind you that while solving exchange rate problem, we should think from the perspective of bank and not from the perspective of individual.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaile Padai. Today we are going to solve a question that was asked in SA 2080 at Bagmati Province from Unit 4 Currency and Exchange Rate. In this question, on 30th October 2023, according to the money exchange rate of Nepal Rashtra Bank, the buying and selling rate of $1 American were NPR 132.90 and NPR 133.50 respectively. That means $1 American is equals to 132.90 when the bank buys and 133.50 when the bank sells that American dollar. So in question number A, how many Nepalese rupees could Prasiddhi exchange with American dollar 1000 on that day? Find it. What they are saying is Prasiddhi is giving that 1000 American dollar to bank. That means bank is buying. So we will multiply $1000 with buying rate to find out how many Nepalese rupees could Prasiddhi exchange. And in B, if Prasiddhi need American dollar 5000 to go to higher studies to America and the money exchange counter charge 2% as commission to exchange the amount on the same day, how many Nepalese rupees did she require? Calculate it. Here Prasiddhi will get American dollar from bank. That means bank is selling, so we will multiply 5000 with selling rate and then we will find or add how much 2% commission will be. So this will be the solution for question number B. And now moving on to question number C. If the Nepalese currency has devaluated by 1.5%, so devaluated by 1.5%, how much rupee would be less or more than the value at the time before devaluation when exchanging Nepalese rupees for American dollar 1000? So the American dollar is devaluated by 1.5%, and the question is asking us to compare how much more or less the Nepalese currency will be for 1000 American dollar. Before writing anything, I want to remind you that while solving exchange rate problem, we should think from the perspective of bank and not from the perspective of individual. That is what we have done in question number A, B, and we will do it in C. So without any delay, let's start the solution. Solution A. So they are asking us to find how many Nepalese rupees could Prasiddhi exchange for 1000 American dollar. As the buying rate at that day for $1 American was NPR. I have taught you in lecture video that the initials, that is short form for Nepalese rupees, is NRS. However, in some question they use NPR, which is totally fine. So the buying rate was 132.90. 1000 American dollar will be 1000 times the buying rate, which is NPR 132.90, which will give us NPR 1,32,900. So Prasiddhi could get NPR 1,32,900 for 1000 American dollar. So this will be the solution for question number A. Now moving on to question number B. What we are asked is, if Prasiddhi need to exchange American dollar 5000 for an exchange counter charge 2% as commission, how much money will she require? Here in question number B, Prasiddhi is getting American dollar from the bank, and while thinking from the perspective of bank, the bank is selling the American dollar. So we will use selling rate here. Selling rate SR is 1 American dollar is equals to NPR 133.50. Commission is equals to 2%. So 5,000 American dollar will be 5,000 times NPR 133.50, which is the selling rate, and this will give us NPR 6,67,500. But this will be before the commission, as we know that commission will be 2%. So commission amount is equals to 2% of NPR 6,67,500, which is equals to 2 by 100 times NPR 6,67,500. This zero will cut these zeros, and this will give us 13,350 rupees as the commission. So Nepalese rupees Prasiddhi will require is NPR 6,67,500 plus 13,350, which is equals to NPR 6,80,850. So this is the solution for question number B. And now moving on to question number C. If Nepalese currency devalued 1.5%, how much rupees would be less or more rupees, less or more than the value at the time before devaluation when exchanging Nepalese rupees for American dollar 1000. So here the American dollar will be exchanged to get Nepalese rupees. So the bank will be buying 1000 American dollar. So we will use buying rate. Here buying rate, that is BR, is 1 US dollar is equals to NPR 132.90. This will be before the devaluation. Now after devaluation, the new buying rate will be $1 is equals to NPR 132.90 plus 1.5% of NPR 132.90. Why are we adding 1.5% of 132.90? It is because Nepalese currency has devalued. That means 1 American dollar will give more Nepalese rupees than it used to give. So this will give us NPR 134.90. So this will be our new exchange rate. Now we will find how much 1000 American dollar will be before the depreciation and after the depreciation. Now $1,000 before depreciation is equals to 1000 times NPR 132.90, which will give NPR 1,32,900 and $1,000 after depreciation is equals to 1000 times NPR, that is 134.90, which is equals to NPR 1,34,900. So difference between before and after depreciation value of 1000 American dollar is NPR 1,34,900 minus NPR 1,32,900, which is equals to NPR 2000. So 1000 American dollar will give NPR 2000 more when exchanged after devaluation. So this is the solution of this question, and in next video we will solve another previous year question from another province. Until then, bye bye.